A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Alphabet cursive letters का revision. Take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. आपको pencil कैसे hold करनी है children? Like this. Now you have to draw with me and speak with me. The first letter of alphabet is A. Very good. A for apple. A for apple. Now see here. Put your pencil on the second blue line and draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. And a loop between these two lines. A for apple. The spelling of apple is, speak with me, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Now tell me the next letter. B. Very good. B for ball. See here. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. Semicircle, loop. One more semicircle and stop here. B for ball. The spelling of ball is B-A-L-L, ball. Now the next letter. B for ball के बाद क्या आता है children? C. C for cat. See here, curve, semicircle and stop here. C for cat. The spelling of cat is, speak with me, C-A-T, cat. Very good. Now the next letter. D. D for duck. See here, slanting line, loop, semicircle and stop here. D. D for duck. The spelling of duck is D-U-C-K, duck. Now the next letter. D for duck के बाद क्या आता है children? E. See here, curve, semicircle, one more semicircle and stop here. E. E for elephant. The spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now the next letter. E for elephant के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? F. F for fish. See here, draw with me, curve, slanting line, curve, sleeping line. F for fish. The spelling of fish is F-I-S-H, fish. Now the next letter is G. See here, curve, semicircle, slanting line, curved line. G for grapes. The spelling of grapes is G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now the next letter. G for grapes के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? H. See here, slanting line, one more slanting line and a loop. H. H for house. The spelling of house, H-O-U-S-E, house. Now the next letter. H for house के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? I. Curve, slanting line, curved line. I for igloo. The spelling of igloo is I-G-L-O-O, igloo. Now the next letter. I for igloo के बाद कौन सा letter आता है? J. See here, slanting curve, slanting line, curved line. J for joker. The spelling of joker is J-O-K-E-R, joker. Now J for joker के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? K. See here, curve, slanting line, curved line, loop, curved line. K. K for kite. The spelling of kite is K-I-T-E, kite. Now the next letter. K for kite के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? L. L for lion. See here, curved line, loop, slanting line, curved line. L for lion. The spelling of lion is L-I-O-N, lion. Now the next letter. M. See here, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, one more slanting line. M for monkey. The spelling of monkey is M-O-N K-E-Y, monkey. Now the next letter, N. N for nest. See here, two slanting lines and one more slanting line. N for nest. The spelling of nest is N-E-S-T, nest. Now N for nest के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है children? O. See here, curve, curve and stop here. O for owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L, owl. Now tell me the next letter. O for owl के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है children? P. P for peacock. Very good. Slanting line, semicircle and stop here. P for peacock. The spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Now the next letter, Q. P for peacock के बाद क्या आता है children? Q. Curve, curve, loop and curve line. Q for queen. The spelling of queen is Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Now the next letter. Q for queen के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? R. See here, slanting line, semicircle, loop, curve line. R for rabbit. The spelling of rabbit is R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Now the next letter, S. See here, slanting line, loop, semicircle and stop here. S for cellar. The spelling of cellar is S-A-I-L-O-R, cellar. Now tell me the next letter. S for cellar के बाद क्या आता है children? T. T for tap. The spelling of tap is T-A-P, tap. Now the next letter. T for tap के बाद कौन सा letter आता है children? U. Very good. See here, curve, slanting line, curve, standing line and curve. U for umbrella. Now the next letter is V. V for van. Slanting line and curve. V for van. Then W. W for watch. Curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, curve, again slanting line and a loop. W for watch. The spelling of watch is W-A-T-C-H, watch. W for watch के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. See here, draw with me. Put your pencil on the red line. Red line पर pencil रख के हमें semicircle बनाना है. Red line से लेकर second blue line तक. Okay. Then one more semicircle बनाना है. Red line से लेकर second blue line तक. Very good. Now draw a two semicircles बनाने हैं हमें और कौन सा letter बन जाएगा children? X. X for Xmas tree. Very good. One more time. See here. Semicircle from red line to the second blue line. Again, one more semicircle from red line to the second blue line. One more semicircle from red line to the second blue line. Two semicircles. Both are opposite. दोनों एक दूसरे से क्या है children? Opposite है. X for Xmas tree. Now tell me the spelling of Xmas tree. Speak with me. X M A S T R E E, Xmas tree. Now what you have to do? Homework. आपको homework करना है. In homework you have to practice the cursive letters, then click a picture of it and send to the school WhatsApp number. This is your homework. Till then, take care and keep studying.